Ari kami sa East Coast Park, guys. Ayan. Puro siya bonggabilya. And lain color nga, ano, bougainvillea. Ayan. Ayan, restaurant siya pero close pa siya ngayon kasi umaga pa. Si Ma'am Lynn. Today, what's this? Today, Rizzy will swim. Maligo si Rizzy. Oh, so hot today. The restaurant still closed. She a lot. No more shit to shit. Since yesterday, she just shit. Oh. So, poting Kelly. You don't have more energy, Kelly? Ha? Nagdiarrhea si Kelly, guys. Ayan, wala siyang energy ngayon.